Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunity. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, February 8, 2017. The market started by a correction this morning, and it came back at 10:30 when the inventory came out about the crude oil, specifically more gasoline, and I don't know, it didn't go anywhere. It just seems like the energy sector has reached an important support and also a bottom, and so it could just be the end of the few days of correction, but we cannot confirm exactly right now. All will depend. But since the movement was going down and back up, it should be just like a neutral, just a pause, just a little, it seems like there's no more sellers on it, and we should be good for like 2 or 3 days of pullback. That's what I think under all reserved. And so there is not much happening today. It seems like we have a little movement right now on the uranium. We'll be looking at it in a few minutes. So for now, the US dollar is coming back down, producing another lower peak. So it changes the angle of the trend a little bit, but it's still a downtrend. So in most markets, nothing is happening. It's just a little bounce back on an important support here for the Nikkei. The China market was going down at first and ended up at the top of the movement, but still no direction. London, it's the same thing. And as you can see, the Nasdaq market is not doing much. And the Dow Jones is showing a little correction and nothing on the SPY. You see how, the market is a boring market actually today. In some case, except for day trading, because we had a couple of important movement this morning. But within the daily chart, there is much to do. right now. We have a little movement in some stock in the mining also. I can say there is nothing, but not as much as we would like. One stock is not going very well here is Gilead Science, because if you see the break we have today, the break of this support is the long-term downtrend that is accelerating. So it's not really looking good for that stock right now. And besides that, for the rest, Disney just bounced back a little bit, 149 to 155, the profit. Yum China 11 to 17, and the stock is going down on a much better result. Alaskan Air 140, 156. The stock broke out and came back on the movement, so it was a false signal so far. Panera Bread $2 to $2.05 for 5 cents out of $2. It's a huge movement, a little bit exaggerated, I think. Akamai is plunging also on a good result, 68 to 72. 6% increase in the sales, so maybe it was a deception. The market was expecting more. And besides that, Twitter also had news this morning, because the firm BTIG raised the rating of the stock just because Donald Trump is using it. and that's all. And what happened on the crude oil this morning, I'll show it to you right here, is that at first the oil was going down, and at 10:30 the oil came back almost to the 0 point. You know, there's no gain, no loss, and it could just be, let me show you, it could just be because we have reached this very important support. So it's probably like some sort of a market rescue, but still it gives us a chance to see that if it breaks down, let's see here, if the crude oil would break in any day now in the next couple of days, if it breaks the 11 bucks going down here, it's going to have a big effect on the stocks. The gas is doing nothing, but look at the oil stock that are going down, and has reversed the trend, and it's now, I think, if the crude oil breaks down, the oil stock will go back to this very important support there. So right now it's certainly not the time to buy the oil stock, because in this situation it's possible that we have a reversal there. So in the next couple of days we could have some rebound here, like this, you know. So this could be a bottom, and we could have a few upward quotes in the next few days, and then come back after. But I mean, for now, it's not the place that to open a bearish position on the crude oil. Let's see the gold now. The gold keeps going up, and the gold stocks keeps going up. And so yesterday, 50% of the crowd said they had bought gold stock within the last couple of weeks. So now most of your stocks are in the money. So now everyone that wants can take profit on their stock, reduce their position, and sit on the rest. For the mining, look, the mining sector is calm, but there are some stock on the move. Vanaway Mine was breaking out yesterday. It's continuing. Hudbay is beginning not a very strong, but some nice bullish movement here. So that could be considered an entrance point. Not on Dynasty, but London is showing the same movement too today. So London begins a new bullish cycle, while some other stock looks not so good, like Labrador and Renor getting on towards the support. Tech sitting on its support, so it has no more room before breaking down. And First Quantum has saved its situation so far. So the sell signal will be 565 on First Quantum. After the break, we'll be answering some questions that just came in on the tablet.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and look at the stocks. What happened this morning at 10:30? We have a big upward surge on the energy sector, on the mining that came back, but with this one and the gold that's still and now I'm not going to show them all, but there has been a big pullback. But right now the fact is that now it's stopping everywhere, so we have a top on every of those sector, and some of them are coming down at the moment, and the market itself, look at the Dow Jones is now heading down too. So I'm not sure that this correction is totally ended. There is no bullish momentum anymore on this market except for gold. And so before trying to buy too many stock, we have to be careful and make sure this correction is over. I still want to show you what I said just earlier. The global ex-uranium ETF is going up for the second day today. It has confirmed a new support recently, and we have a few stocks that are on the move right now. You have Plateau Uranium, PLU. You have uranium participation attacking its resistance right now. Energy Fuel is on the move. It's been nice intraday-wise today. Next Gen is within the second day. So it's a quite it's a movement that we can feel everywhere. Laramide has started this movement 2 days ago, though. But most of the stocks are going up right now. Okay, hi, I would like to buy LUN. Is it too late today? It's getting late. It would have been better yesterday. Is that the one? No, London, I'm sorry. London is today. No, you're right. It's today. Oh, it's the same question twice. Okay, buy 20,000 FGD. FGD. First Global at 29. You sold 10,000 at 53, which is very nice. What to do with the other 10,000? Okay, so 29. 29 is here. Yeah, you bought it that first day, which is the best thing to do. And then you have 1 support, 2 support, and there's the construction of the third one here. If you look at it on 15 minutes for the last 10 days, so you see what I was showing here. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. These are, forget about that one, the first one. Okay, so I'm going to put it 2. So 4, 4. Okay, so you have a line here, and you have a line here, which is both the same. One is with more details. This is a 15-minute chart and a daily chart. So right now, since you are in the profit, you sold 10,000 at 53, so that's 24 cents higher. So and you paid 29. So actually, the rest is costing you 5 cents, whatever you have. So your cost for the remaining 10,000 share that you have here, because you bought it, because you just sold half here, the rest, so if you to lose all of your money, you have to keep your 10,000 share right down to here, okay? But still, the stock can move on, can still go up. So right now, you have still 10,000. You can split it in half twice, so 2 times 5,000. So I'd say, depending here, to give you a little bit of chance, not too close, like 46, 47. So I would put 5,000 here at 47 and 5,000 here at 37, 38. So, not 5 cents, so 47, 37. So unless the stock breaks here and breaks there, you will still have a position on that stock, okay? So I think for a longer term now that you are well established, sitting on nice profit on that stock, let it go, see where it goes. So split it in half, 2 times 5,000, and on the next breaking of the last 2 supports, if it goes up and makes another one here, so then you push that off, you push that all up, okay? So whenever it breaks a support, you sell 5,000. When it breaks a second one, you sell another one. NMX. Ready for a breakout. It's not doing it right now. Setting up on the launch pad, yeah. Bought at 132, sold half 149. Under what condition would I buy back initial position? At 155, and I'd like it to stay under 150 and then break to 155 with a larger volume. So since you bought like the original one, so you have 150% of the original one, and you can do the same thing again. Sell half of it whenever you buy it at 155. Sell half at 175. Hi Michelle, time to buy GEI. No, it's the right stock. TGEI. No. That stock is going down. It's the end. It seems to be the end of the story here. It's going down. So unless until the only place you should buy that stock, it's whenever it comes to 2025. About KAT, my last question, KAT. Oh, Katanga Mining bought KAT at... I think you made a mistake. It's probably 28 cents and not 10 and 280. Oh, probably is that stock must have been split because he's talking about 280 and 3. And it corresponds by 10 times. I don't get it. I don't know. Okay, so look, come back with this question tomorrow because something is not fitting at all with either the symbol of the price or whatever. So it's the end of the show. Thank you very much for attending.